morning, 144. It's 9:44. So I'm coming home. I hear the song I'm coming home, so there might be a reunion. I had to go beat the cloud and switch some things around because every time I go to record, my videos disappear and it's getting really frustrating. So I cleared up the traffic, if you will. Let's see what we got. Humility usually brings about gifts because in order to be humble, we have to hurt quite a bit. We experience a lot of pain through humility. Humanity. Are you now more humble towards humanity? Are you more forgiving, more graceful? You're coming home to yourself. Once you find the love here, it's so much easier to go out and do what's needed. What you're completely able to do. A mask. You no longer wear a mask. Maybe your name is Britney. Your masculine's taking off his mask and he's coming home. Congratulations. Paradise. Come on, pretty mama, Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go to Jamaica off the Florida Keys? So maybe you're going on a cruise. The ability to feel a person's spirit, emotions, or feelings of another physical pain. Complete and total empath. That also gives you a higher knowing. You have to experience a lot of pain to get that gift. He's been coming up a lot lately. With Neptune, like that dreamy feeling. I never trust that dreamy feeling anymore. But maybe you should. Sex in the Rain. There should be a song about that. If there's not, I'll make one. I'll make one just for you, baby. The ability to smell odors from the spirit. Smelling in the spirit. This comes when you completely detach yourself from ego. If you start noticing this scent increase, you're doing a very, very good job. Anyway, that's all I have for now. If you'd like me, share, subscribe. Down in the comments, give me affirmations, Miss Britney. Let me know you were here today. You've got your little wedding bells coming on this weekend. Today's only Tuesday, but it feels like Wednesday. I think I'm just pushing to get out. Maybe you're also booking a trip right now. Maybe you're in your robe getting ready and you're packing your bags. Congratulations to you. You're getting your king. Anyway, I love y'all. Let me know if anybody needs a reading before I get out of Dodge for a couple days. I'm only going to bring a couple of decks just in case it fancies me. Other than that, I'll just be bringing my journal and my guitar. I love y'all. Bye.